Patrick Gawani sa kanya, second anak ng Candaba Basketball League. Maraming salamat po, sir.
Hello.
Kami
na nanonood ng basketball, no?
Salamat po.
Ayun, no, si Ian, no?
Ate po.
Dito po kami sa...
Wala na po, ate.
Eh,
ba?
Number 18, setting the play. Using the lock, so the lock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Steal. Number 16. The number 13, using the clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Okay.
Holding down.
Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo sa laro? Wala mo lang kaya
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Ano masasabi mo?
Number 13, yes, minute. There's the foul, offensive foul. Give the guy.
Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo sa laban?
Number 13 natin.
Mahirap. Baka taro.
Ano masasabi mo? Tangina mo, gago ka.
2 minutes and 50
Ay.
seconds.
Ano masasabi mo? Okay lang? Hello? Ay, baba. Ano masasabi mo?
This one is
Ano?
number 10, McGrady.
Vamo.
Fish niya.
Number 10, 5 down, 5 out. Number 10 na play, 5 out. 5 pounds.
Ano?
Kabayo ka.
May na mo, kambing ka. Kambing.
Yung yellow team. Warning po, penalty na pala. Penalty na, ang yellow. Yung gray, 2 fouls to give. 2 fouls to give. Before penalty. 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Second shot is good.
First shot, good.
2 minutes and 4